Forecast.
Another spring-like day across the region this afternoon. We had a little buildup of some cloudiness, some cumulus clouds there. Debbie Cash captured that shot, and Jim Carpenter did a black and white take on some of the clouds out there this afternoon. Certainly a nice day to be outdoors. Temperature at the airport today touched 67. That's a whopping 20 degrees above average. Skies are mostly clear. Air mass is much drier than where we were just 24 hours ago. And as we take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley, 46, a little bit of cloud cover, made it up to a high of 61 for the afternoon. Take a look at some other readings. 53 in Madison, 55 right now in Palmyra. We've got 50 in Livingston, 49 in Waynesboro, and 50 currently in Harrisonburg. So this afternoon we had a little buildup of cloudiness that worked through, and farther to our north, some showers that materialize. Now out to the west, there's some showers that are developing along the Alleghenies. Some of that tonight in those areas will turn over to some snow, just a reinforcing shot of chillier air. So it will be a chillier start tomorrow morning. Look at Friday morning lows in the upper 30s to around 40 east of the Blue Ridge, and out to the west generally in the low and mid 30s. As we move into our Friday, well, we don't have any 60s. We're talking about numbers pretty much in the low 50s across central Virginia, only in the mid 40s in the valley, and it will be breezy. So you couple that with a little chill in the air, it'll feel a lot different than what we've seen recently and experienced. We could have some wind gusts during the afternoon, 15 over 20 miles an hour. As we look at our weekend, Saturday still a cool day, mid 40s to low 50s. We may begin the day with some cloud cover, and then we'll see some sunshine. But then we cloud up for Sunday. Right now, we'll watch Sunday, especially the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, it looks like some chilly rain showers, but there could be a little mix, especially areas near the Blue Ridge and points west, something to monitor. At this particular time, things are pretty quiet now. We do have a broad area of low pressure up across the Great Lakes. You can kind of see that broad counterclockwise circulation, sort of like a big bicycle wheel, and little spokes of energy are rotating around it. Well, one's already come through this afternoon. It generated some of that cloud cover and showers farther north. Meanwhile, this is the big weather story. It's impacting California, Oregon, and the West Coast big time. Lots of power outages, feet of snow in the Sierras, flooding rainfall. Of course, this was a drought-stricken area, still is, and that falls on burn areas and the like. So a lot of weather hazards, and there's another storm waiting in the wings. So for us right now, we're just in that transition to cooler air. The coldest air will remain locked up across the northern plain states and points north. But in the morning, we'll start in the 30s to around 40. Will be a breezy day, much cooler, mid 40s to low 50s for highs. And then we'll start Saturday morning with some cloud cover, upper 20s and low 30s. We'll clear out as we move through in the afternoon, upper 40s, low 50s, but then we cloud back up for Sunday, and right now the timing of this seems to be more afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. A chilly rain, but especially areas north and west of Charlottesville could be a little wintry mix at the onset, something to watch. Temperatures here tonight then in the mid 30s to around 40. There's a look at the Michael and Sons 7-day forecast as we get ready to head into the first weekend of this year. Temperatures are cooler, no 60s there, and we'll watch Sunday, especially the afternoon and evening hours, mid 50s for the first part of next week. So temperatures bounce back up after this weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll still